Here's a video on how to replace your Danco tub spout. It comes with an instruction set. It is precise but not super obvious, so I thought why not make a quick video since I couldn't find one for myself. I previously had a Moen tub spout, so it's the same size. However, it has some different requirements for the copper pipe. So first thing I had to do was to shorten it because there are 4 modes you can install this spout with, and the one I had, since it's unthreaded pipe, is the first one, and so that requires a 2 to 3 inch long maximum pipe. So I had to get mine cut. After this is done, you install this first part here. This goes all the way back. It is better to clean your pipe before and maybe sand it if there's any residue. There's some silicone at the back. It's not perfect, but I'm not going to change it here. So you install it with the screw up, and then you have this washer. You have to slide it in before you get the other part of the assembly on. So okay, try to keep it here at the back. I tried to do a first install with the original tube size, and it didn't work, so it's really a requirement to cut it if you want to have it installed this way. Then you get this extension. In. It's supposed to slide a couple of turns until it's tight. So I will do that, and after you do that, you're gonna need a wrench in order to turn the back part here. Have a turn down, and the screw will come down. I'll do that and resume in a sec. So I screwed the extension. There is a little bit of a gap between the first adapter and the extension. Instructions say it's fine up to 1/16 of an inch, so I think it's all right. I don't think there's any big major issues here. I mean, it's not there's no leaking that can take place here. After that, you put some Teflon on the tip, which I already pre-did, and then you simply screw this in by making sure you align the screw that's underneath with the hole that's here. So I'll do that and be back in a sec.